Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to delete MS Word extra page. So let's get started. I am going to be showing you 3 solutions. For the first solution, you're gonna head over to the page that you want to delete. Then you're just going to click on it, and then you're going to hit backspace a few times. And that's it for the first solution. Now for the second solution. First, you're going to click this button to enable paragraph marks. Once it has been enabled, you're going to go to the first page and you're going to delete this line right here. Just hit backspace on your keyboard, and as you can see down here, it says page 1 of 1, which means the other page has been deleted. Now you can go ahead and click on this button again to disable the paragraph marks. Alright, now for the final solution. You're gonna head over to the View tab. Then you're going to enable Navigation pane. Click on Pages. From here, you want to click on the page that you want to delete, and all you have to do is simply hit backspace. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.